It feels like a magic trick. The WUHUIXOZ reusable 32 ounces food containers make meal prep simple. I used to juggle many containers. Now, these 50 packs are a game changer. They are 32 ounces. That is a good size. They fit a full meal easily. Also, the lids seal well. No leaks. So, your bag stays clean. Plus, they stack neatly. This saves space. My fridge looks organized now. Therefore, finding meals is quick. Indeed, these containers are convenient. These containers are built tough. They are plastic, but they are not flimsy. You can reuse them. They go from freezer to microwave. This is super helpful. And they are dishwasher safe. Cleaning is a breeze. No more hand washing. Furthermore, they are BPA-free. Safety is important. I feel good using them. WUHUIXOZ reusable 32 ounces food containers are like little workhorses. They handle daily use. They are durable. Therefore, they save you money. You won't need new ones often. I highly recommend WUHUIXOZ reusable 32 ounces food containers. They simplify life. Meal prep is less daunting. You save time and effort. Moreover, portion control is easier. It helps with healthy eating. These containers are a smart buy. They are practical. They are versatile. In short, they are a kitchen essential. Get them. You will not regret it. They truly make meal prep a joy. Pros: work great for meal prep, do well in the microwave, dishwasher safe, nice and durable, great for leftovers, covers fit nice and tight, husband takes them to work, washable, good for baked potatoes, nice containers. Cons: lids are hard to remove, lids or containers may break, some containers arrived cut, lids crack easily, lids don't fit well. Features: 50-pack 32 ounces capacity, with lids, disposable, reusable plastic, BPA-free, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, bento box style. The WUHUIXOZ meal prep containers are a 50-pack of 32-ounce food storage containers. They come with lids and can be used once or many times. Made from BPA-free plastic, these bento box style containers are safe to use in the microwave, dishwasher, and freezer, making them great for meal prepping or taking food on the go. The WUHUIXOZ 50-pack of 32 ounces meal prep containers are generally praised for being convenient for meal prep, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe, making them useful for leftovers and packed lunches. Users appreciate their durability and the tight fit of the lids. However, some common issues include lids being difficult to remove or prone to cracking easily, and occasional reports of damaged containers upon arrival or lids not fitting well.